Story Kids Rise.
A short story. Tulip Enchanted Garden, Magical Discovery, The Secret Garden. Deep within the lush countryside lived a young girl named Lily. She was a curious and adventurous soul, always seeking new mysteries to unravel. One bright morning, as she roamed the estate her family had just moved into, she stumbled upon a forgotten, overgrown gate that seemed to lead nowhere. Intrigued, Lily's heart raced with excitement. The gate, rusty and heavy, opened to reveal a hidden path that led to an enchanting world, a secret garden nestled between towering trees. Lush flowers of every color stretched towards the sky, and the air was filled with the sweet scent of blooming petals. Amidst this beauty, Lily sensed a magical aura. As she ventured further, Lily noticed a small, intricately designed key tucked beneath a stone. Instinctively, she picked it up and approached a mysterious, locked door at the heart of the garden. With a nervous yet hopeful heart, she inserted the key into the lock. With a soft click, the door swung open, revealing an extraordinary sight. Before her eyes, the garden came alive in a symphony of colors and lights. Fairies danced among the blossoms, their delicate wings glistening in the sun's embrace. The trees whispered ancient tales, and the water in the fountain sparkled like liquid diamonds. Lily had stumbled upon a realm straight out of her dreams. Amidst this wonder, a kind figure emerged, the guardian of the garden, an elegant lady named Seraphina. She explained that the garden held a magical secret. It was a place where dreams became reality. With a smile, Seraphina encouraged Lily to make a heartfelt wish. Lily closed her eyes and wished for something selfless, a garden that would bring happiness to all, just as it had to her. As she opened her eyes, the garden transformed, sharing its magic with the world. Flowers bloomed with brilliant colors, and gentle creatures frolicked in the sunlight. Filled with gratitude, Lily returned to the gate. As she left the garden behind, she knew that its enchantment would forever remain in her heart. She shared the story of her discovery with her family and friends, reminding them of the power of dreams and the magic that lies hidden within even the simplest places. And so, beneath the boundless sky, Lily's journey became a cherished tale, whispered among children and adults alike. The secret garden had taught her that wonder and magic can be found where least expected, and that a heart full of dreams can turn a hidden paradise into a realm of endless joy. The secret garden reminds us that curiosity opens doors to enchantment, and sharing the magic within can bring joy to both our hearts and the world around us. Kids, please like, share and subscribe to this video.
Story Kids Rise.